Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. This week, if you see, market's making a inverted hammer candle at the top, right? Bank Nifty making the same inverted hammer candle, Nifty also making the same inverted hammer candle, where Nifty is looking much more bearish as compared to Bank Nifty. But is this a very big reversal in the market, or is this just a small pullback and then we will continue to move at higher levels, right? So one thing to note is that Iran has attacked Israel over the weekend, right? Again, it hasn't realized into a big war as such, but anyways, this is a thing to note, and because of that, most probably chances are market will open with a gap down. So for the markets to become negative, markets will need to go below 48,000. Bank Nifty will need to close below 48,000. 48,000 will be a very crucial area for Bank Nifty, below which it will need to go to sustain at lower levels and give a breakout failure over here, after which we will see a very good selling in the market. For Nifty, if you see, as I said, this low will be very important. 22,300 area will be a very important area for Nifty to watch out for. If we go below this area, then again we will see very good sell off in the market, and chances are then we will go into a downward trend over here, and this uptrend that is going on in the market will will stop, and then we will enter into a new downtrend for a long time, right? Again, as of one candle, we cannot really say that the market is going down. Tomorrow, if the market has to go down, tomorrow we will see a very good follow-up which will take us near 22,300 or below 22,300. But if we are seeing that market is taking a good support from lower levels, right? Bank Nifty taking support from the zone, Nifty taking support from maybe 22,400 and all these levels, I'll tell you the levels. But the if the market is taking good support from these levels, then still we are not in a bearish trend, and then chances are market will again recover and close and continue to move at higher levels, right? Now one thing that I feel like could happen is that tomorrow, once we open with a gap down, chances are market will recover and close higher, right? Why do I say so? Is because the event that is happening is not really a global event. The whole Iran and Israel attack, as of now, it is not a global event. And so I think if we open at lower levels, chances are that we could see again a very good buying coming in at lower levels, right? So for Bank Nifty, 48,200 area will be very important. If between 48,200 to 48,000 you are seeing that Bank Nifty is taking good support and again moving up from here, then you can think about taking a bullish trade. But for that, we will wait for a positive price action in 15-minute chart, not 5-minute chart, but 15-minute chart, and then we will take a bullish position at lower levels. If we don't want to take a bullish position at lower levels, and if you are maybe not so sure about it, that is also fine, no problem. You can skip for tomorrow, because then we will still get a very good momentum at higher levels if we see very good buying coming in from lower levels, right? So there is no compulsion of taking a bullish trade tomorrow itself. Now Bank Nifty has, you see, if Bank Nifty has broken this trend line in the end of Friday, but what could happen is that this could be a very good setup that can be made for trapping all these sellers. Is that Bank Nifty takes very good support from here and then starts to move up and give a very fast rally till 50,000 from here, right? Why do I say so? Is because whenever there is a big move that needs to come in the market will always trap people first and then start to move up. I had also put a YouTube short, and I had also put a reel on my Instagram, and you guys can go ahead and check it out there. Link is in the description or on my YouTube channel. And I had said that before every breakout, the market will first of all make a trap, make a trap for the other side, and then it will start to move up, right? So for here, market will need to make a trap for sellers, and then it will start to move over here. Also, if you see, market made a trap by breaking the support over here at this day, and then it started to move very fast from there, right? So now also that can happen over here. Market can come down, take support from this zone, and then start to move up. But tomorrow, if we see a closing, which a very bearish closing in the market, somewhere near 48,000, also that is very easy, below 48,000 anywhere. If we see a bearish closing tomorrow, then that means there is follow up in the market, and that means then things could become very bearish very fast, right? So again, tomorrow's closing will be very important, and tomorrow's opening price action will also be very important. If we are seeing that market is seeing very good buying coming in from lower levels, right, which can happen, please do not think that it cannot happen. If we are seeing that market is seeing very good buying coming in from lower levels and then we are starting to move up, then we can also expect 49,000 to come very easily. No big deal at all. Please do not think that it is, oh, it is very far away, this, that, war and anything. We do not know what the big institutions are thinking. Maybe they might get a chance to buy at lower levels and then, sell at higher levels. Who knows, right? Maybe they might have, maybe there might be still some steam left in the bulls to take the market up till 50,000, 51,000, whatever, right? So again, we will look only at price action. Anything aside from price action cannot really tell us what is going to happen in the market, right? For Nifty, if you see, 22,400 to 380 is the support that is coming out over here. And if the market is seeing very good buying coming in from here after opening with a gap down, or maybe Nifty breaks this trend line and then again comes up over here, and if you are seeing positive price action being made in 15-minute chart, then you can think about taking a buying position at lower levels. But as I said, it is not important for you to take buying positions at lower levels. This is a risky trade that I am telling you, and if you do not want to take, that is fine. Skipping a trading day tomorrow and not trading anything is also fine. You will not miss out on anything. There will be big moves on the upside also and on the downside also, depending on how the market closes. So you really do not have to worry about missing a trend in the market as of now. If we open flat, somehow if we open flat and start to move down, now if you see in Nifty, as I had said, below this level, basically 22,640, once we start sustaining below 22,640, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. Over here, if you see, we did not sustain. We couldn't make price action below 22,640 and then we started to move. But next time we went over below that, we basically hit our target by the end of the day, right? So I hope you would have captured that. Anyways, if we open with a gap up, we will not do anything, because then the market most probably will be in this range for tomorrow. And then chances are, most probably market might be in a volatile to sideways range for tomorrow, and then we could see some momentum on the upside or on the downside in the coming days. Same thing with Bank Nifty also. There will be good resistances on the upside and on the downside. So if we open with a gap up, can't really do anything. If we open flat and start crossing 48,000 for basically 48,475, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position again till 48,300 to 48,200, right? Because then we could get some momentum till 48,200. And same thing with Nifty also. If you open flat, if you open with open flat and stay over here for some time and then break down, that will be the best, because Nifty has been moving continuously down. So it needs to take a little bit of consolidation over here and then break down. That will give us a very good trade. And once we get a 10-minute closing below 22,500, or you can wait for 10 minutes for Nifty to sustain below 22,500, and then once we start moving down, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over here till 22,400 on the downside, because then we will see this 100 points move coming down very easily. Even if you miss this trade, maybe in the first candle itself market moves down till 22,440, 460, all these levels, and that is also fine. Do not run behind a trade. Wait for the market to tell you where exactly it is going and then take a trade. There is no need to hurry in the market, right? Do not hurry in the market to take a trade. That is fine if you do not take a trade, if you miss a trade, whatever. Market will open every day. Their market will open for many coming years, hopefully, if somebody doesn't put a nuclear bomb above our head. But yes, you will get many trades in the market, so you do not need to worry about missing a trade, okay? Because I have done that when the Russia-Ukraine war was going on. I had also done a little bit of FOMO over there, and I had lost some money. Again, not a big loss, a normal loss only, but some people take very big losses in events like this, thinking that the market will be market will give very big moves and they will make very big money, but instead they lose a lot of money. So I hope you do not do that. And again, stay patient, you will get a lot of trades. And yeah guys, that was it for today. And one thing I want to say is that if this week we get a very good follow up in the market and we get very good selling in the first half of the week itself, then chances are that this is the start of a new bearish trend in the market. But if this week also we do not get very good follow up in the market, right? Because if you see, there was a candle like this over here also, right, which was a bearish candle, right? And then if you see the next week, we do not see a lot of follow-up. Same thing with Nifty also. If you see, some candle could be made at higher levels which might look very bearish, right? But we need a follow-up in the coming week which could take us down and close below lower levels, close below crucial levels. If that happens, then only we will think that the market has become negative. Until then, we will keep our stance a little bit bullish, or at least sideways, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. And yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.